Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clan in Golf Clash. Creating a clan in Golf Clash lets you team up with friends, compete in clan leagues, and earn rewards together. First of all, open the Golf Clash application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you are, go ahead and tap on the Clans button at the bottom right corner. You will then end up in this page where you need to select Create at the top right. Now, enter a unique name for your clan in the first tab. After typing down a name, click Submit. Now click the Continue button and then select a clan badge right next to icon. Tap the Design button and choose an emblem or a background to represent your clan. After you do that, click Save. Now inside the Location tab, select your country or your location. You can also enter a description for your clan inside the description field. Inside Type, choose between Open, Invite Only, or Closed. After selecting the type of your clan, inside Minimum Player Level, set the requirement for the members to join into your clan. After you do that, click the Create button at the bottom. In order to create a clan, you will need to spend 250 gems. After you have enough gems, you will be able to create a new clan. So that is how you can easily create a clan in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.